Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you a special pickle. This is kalonji, or it's called black seed with mango. So pickle with the black seed and mango, and this is really special because it's very good for your for reducing your weight and for even diabetes. So let's start this recipe. Ingredients for mango, kalonji or black seed pickle. So I have taken kalonji 1.5 spoon because this is the major ingredient, key ingredient, and I have taken 2 spoons red chilli powder and 1 spoon salt. So usually they go for equal quantity, but I am reducing salt because this is instant one. We don't have to preserve it for a long time. And I've taken 1 spoon fenugreek seeds and 1 spoon fennel seeds. So all these are key ingredients. I'm not using turmeric. Usually they use even turmeric. So I don't use all of them every day, like I try to shift it. And other than this, we need 1 spoon jaggery. I'm going to use coconut oil for this recipe. So I'm going to use 3 spoons coconut oil. This is organic virgin coconut oil. So even the oil also I'm not going to use for every meal same oil. At least I try to change after a few days so that we get different kinds of oil. And all oils are, most of them, organic and even cold pressed, or any kind of coconut oil or olive oil, or whichever I'm taking here, I'm trying to use them. But it is always good if you have some cold press which is done in front of your eyes using that wooden ones. That's more good. So we need mangoes. I have peeled it. Obviously mango pickle, we need mango for this. So I have peeled it and chopped into pieces. Now let's start the recipe. So first goes the oil, 3 spoons. And goes in all the spices together. I'm going to mix it till everything gets nicely popped up. So black seeds are very good for health. It has a lot of antioxidants and lot of medicinal value. So we don't use every time, so that's a reason we need to change what we regularly use. So this is one of the best option, and it even tastes pretty good. So once everything get nice popped up, then I'm going to add water. So I'm adding water. It depends how much thickness you like it. I like little bit more thick because once we boil this, again it thickens. Once this gets to boil, then I'm going to add mangoes. Yeah, it's already getting boiled. Then I'm adding mango pieces to this, and I'll let it boil it. So other than this, I'm going to add jaggery after it gets cooked a little bit. I'm going to mix it well and leave it for cooking. It already looks yummy. So pickles are very good because it has prebiotics. So we need to include some kind of pickle, but a different every time. And this is even instant. You don't have to wait for the season. Whatever available in the market, you can make with that, fresh ones. At this point, I'm going to add jaggery. I feel like to add a little more water to this. I'm adding some more water. I've cooked for 7 minutes on medium heat. You can cook till it softens. So when you put your spoon, it has to break like this. So that cut shows that it is cooked. So now you can transfer it, and you can use any oil as per your taste. I'm just using coconut oil because I want to change the oil, but it's okay to use whatever oil you like. So it looks good and it thickens after some time. Now it's time for taste test. It's little bit hot, so I'm just taking little bit. It's too good. It's little bit sour. It's like I can utilize little more with the jaggery, but I'm going to leave it as it is. But it is up to your taste, what kind taste you want. Just taste it and you can utilize it. And I've tried to minimize the salt in this because it's instant and it's not required that much. For full recipe, look into the description box below. And if you like this recipe, share with your friends. And if you are for the first time onto my channel, and subscribe to my channel for new notification. Thank you for watching and see you with next video. Until then, bye.